Hello, my name's Charlie James, and today we're going to be unboxing and installing the new Mini Viper PTZ with active deterrence on it. So let's have a look and see what's in the box. So when we open the box, we are presented with the fitting instructions and wall template, as you would expect to see. We've also got the power supply for the PTZ if needed. That also comes with the fly lead there. So we've also got some screw fixings there and the look trusted Allen key. Now when I take the camera out itself, that's amazingly small for a PTZ. So as you can see on here, we have the LED. So on here we've got red and blue flashing lights for the active deterrence. We've got the warm light if we're using colour at night, and we've also got the IR if there's no activity within the scene. So let's go and install it. So let's see it in action. So what I've done here is I've put a tripwire in and I've gone through the tripwire at speed. I say at speed, that's as fast as I can actually run. Now it's tracking me right out. Now can you notice it's got a yellow box around me? The yellow box is indicating that it's detecting a human. Now when I come back, it will the tripwire will actually go back to its preset. There you go. Now you can see it's tracking me with the yellow box around it. Vehicles will be tracked by a purple box that you will see in a second. Gone through the tripwire, it's triggered again. You notice the purple box and the yellow box there. Now this product is probably one of the best mini PTZs I've seen on the market today. This is available from all PureTech branches, or speak to your account manager today.